Hey guys, I got a Asus laptop. It's a newer one, about 6 months old. It's a X55C. Bought it from the pawn shop for 150 bucks. Not bad. Windows 8. Did the free upgrade to 8.1. It's okay, but I really don't like 8 or 8.1. So I was going to pull the hard drive out, stick another one in there, and put Windows on it, put Windows 7 on it, actually do a downgrade, at least for a while. Well, it didn't have a user password in it, but it had an administrator password in it. That was a problem. I don't know if it was in there from default from Asus or if somebody put it in there. Well, I went through hell trying to get rid of this bitch, and even called Asus up, talked to them, and they wanted me to send the laptop to them. And that'd been all good, but it's kind of expensive to do that, and they would have charged me out the ass to do this. Well, what I did, I hunted around on the internet for a while, couldn't find anything. I came across an older thread from 2003, I think it was, that somebody figured out how to get rid of the password. Well, I tried it and it worked. I'm going to give you guys all the information on this. I'll make a short video of it showing it. If you can't see it very well, you might want to blow up the video to make it full screen so you can see it, or whatever. I'll also put it down below so you can read it down there. Basically what it entails is, if you can get your computer to Windows, which hopefully you can, you want to change the time and the date. You don't want it whatever the time and date is right now. What you want to do, for example, you want to set the time, and it will set to back this late, early, I mean, to 2002, but you want to set it to January 2nd, 2002. And then there's a date code that you have to put in for that date, and it will allow you to knock out the password, the administrator password in the BIOS. This is not anything to do with Windows, the Windows password, but I'm believing that it will knock out a user password too. But it works really good. Basically, all you do is reset the time to the date that I just gave you. You reboot the laptop and you start tapping the delete button. That will bring up a password box. So basically, from there, what you want to do is you want to press the Alt key, ALT, and the R button, and then it'll bring up a different password box, and it is called a system rescue password. And at that point, you will see the date in there, 2002/01/02, and if you see that, you got it made. And you just put in the ALA 4ABA and hit enter. Once you do that, it'll knock the password out and it goes right into the BIOS. Then you can reset all your other settings that you want to set. Now, when you're in there, you can mess around a little bit and look at it. But after you do that, you want to, in the BIOS, you want to reset the time. That's kind of important that you do that, because Windows may want to try to do a repair on itself if the time's not correct. But after you do this, it'll reset the date back to today when you're doing it. And then you just click Save Changes, and you reboot it back into Windows, and then you shut it back down again and go back into the BIOS, and you'll notice that things that were not highlighted before are not now highlighted up. You can change your other settings in it, and you'll notice that there's no password under administrate or under the administrator's name. So sorry if I was rambling on, but it's kind of important that I tell you all the steps on this. Y'all take care. Let me know how it works. I'm not responsible if you fuck up your own computer, but this worked for mine. But you don't want to keep on trying the wrong passcodes or anything in it. If you follow exactly how I told you, it should work fine. Take care. Let me know.